Welcome to my channel. Hi kids, are you ready to draw a Christmas tree? Let's start. Now draw a big triangle under the star. This is the top of our tree. Let's draw another bigger triangle under it. And one more big triangle at the bottom. Wow, our tree looks amazing. Now draw a small rectangle for the tree trunk. Perfect! Let's decorate the tree. Draw some round ornaments. White, red, and yellow. Add some lines for garlands. Yellow. Finally, color your Christmas tree green, the star yellow, and the ornaments any color you like. Well done! Your Christmas tree is beautiful. Christmas tree, beautiful.